Ever found yourself puzzled over how to deal with those pesky blank rows in Excel? They can be quite a nuisance, can't they? Well, fret no more. Today we're going to unravel the mystery of removing blank rows in Excel step by step. Picture this. You're working on a spreadsheet. It's a labyrinth of data, numbers, and text. But there, lurking between your beautifully organized cells are blank rows. They're breaking up your data, making it harder to navigate and analyze. It's time to banish these unwanted intruders. Step 1 is all about selection. Navigate to the Home tab on the Excel ribbon and look for the Find and Select option. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose Go to Special. This will open a dialog box. Step 2 is about fine-tuning your selection. In the dialog box, you'll see a variety of options. We're interested in the one labeled Blanks. Click on Blanks, then click OK. This will select all the blank cells in your spreadsheet. Now we're ready for Step 3, Deletion. With all the blank cells selected, go back to the Home tab on the Excel ribbon. This time, look for the Delete option. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Delete Sheet Rows. And voila, your spreadsheet is now free of blank rows. But wait, there's more. If you want to streamline this process, here's a pro tip. You can use the keyboard shortcut Control-Mass to delete the selected blank rows. It's a quick and efficient way to keep your spreadsheet clean and tidy. To summarize, removing blank rows in Excel is a 3-step process: selection, fine-tuning, and deletion. It's all about using the Find and Select, Go to Special, Blanks, and Delete Sheet Rows options in the Home tab. And for those who love efficiency, remember the keyboard shortcut Control-Mash. That's all for today. Remember, a clean spreadsheet is a happy spreadsheet. So keep those blank rows at bay and let your data shine. Until next time, happy Excelling.